How to deposit via internet banking. So welcome to Taurex. In this video we're going to guide you on how to deposit using bank and crypto gateways. So first, log into the platform at global.mytaurex.com. After you've successfully logged in, select the deposit option to start, and you can quickly select the amount you want to deposit, or you can select another amount and click next. Next, select the bank logo. You'll be redirected to a payment provider such as Momo or VNPay. Choose your preferred payment gateway and proceed to pay. Okay, so this will load up. Check the information, the amount to be paid, select deposit, using internet banking, and scan the QR code feature to actually complete the payment. When the transaction is successful, the amount will be automatically updated to your account. Thank you and wish you successful trading at Taurex.